Good morning, dragon fruit lover. Today I gonna change all the pots and give my dragon bigger. I change them from the 5 gallon to the 15 gallon. This is after 3 years because they are big now. They need more space. That's why I'm gonna show you how I remove the bucket I used before and I switch it to the 15 gallon. I hope you can enjoy the video. Okay, this bucket I use them now. They've been here for 3 years. I don't think they can handle the sun, but they did their job. Because really now, they broke easy. They are not for planting. But when I start, I try to use anything I have to save some money. Especially in Corona time, everything is super expensive. And now it's the time to take all that and change it to the right way. It's been 3 years, 5 gallon bucket. Now it's time to go to the 15. And look, I think it's not that hard to do that. If you did that before, you should go. The bigger is better. That's why. And this is what I do. I cut. You see how I cut it? I cut it from down there. Then I cut this way. Then I'm gonna remove this. Then I wanna put it in the 15 gallon like this. Give him more side. Because look, after 3 years, especially this is when I start, I don't put too much sand. Look, it became like you need to release the roots a little bit. Now I'm gonna add more. You need to release them a little bit. And in the top, I'm gonna add a chicken manure. Just in the top. I try, don't get close to the center. Just a little bit. Just in the top. I hope we're gonna have a rain, because we don't have any rain this year. We don't have winter here in Los Angeles. And that's it. I need to water it. And this is Valdivia Roja. Every once in a while, you need to do the label again. I have this label here, and I have this label from the metal, and I write it here because I have too many variety. That's why, and I want to be sure I label all of them enough, and then I put back after I finish the dripping system. This is Lisa, the same things. I remove the bucket, I'm gonna replace it. This is, I have problem in this spot. Look what happened here. That's why I remove everything. I'm gonna change all the soil for this one. This is before. And this is after. Thank you for watching.